What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a Blue Angel air show. I kind of meant to put the typing into a voice reveal later on into the channel, but I was going over the edits and I saw you can literally hear me typing, so I have no other choice but to just talk in the video. So today we are doing a Blue Angel air show in Roblox ptfs. I am going to be playing with my friend. So yeah, let's just get started. Also, this is my first video, so don't mind if I'm bad at editing or recording or yeah. Okay. So we are going to go spawn a plane over here. We are going to spawn the Blue Angel. Also, if you guys want me to do more Blue Angel air shows, please hit that like button. You don't have to subscribe. I'm not like those YouTubers that are like, please subscribe. Yeah, I'm not that kind of person. Subscribe if you like. I don't really care. So we are going to spawn a plane after I spend a million years typing. Okay. Alright, we're gonna spawn the Blue Angel again because somebody else tried to get in the plane. Which that's a no-no. Okay, now we are going to be taking off. I'm sorry if the angle is bad for the air show, but yeah. I'm gonna try and take off. Okay, smoke on. We're gonna go normal and then steep. Yeah, here's the steep part. And then we're gonna go into a loop, barrel roll, down loop. It's funny because at that part when I was doing that down loop, I was literally praying that I don't smash the ground. Which I don't usually hit the ground, but that was kind of scary. Leave a comment if you like first person or third person. Yeah, first person or third person. Okay, doing the casual. Okay, so down there you can see a Blue Angel. I think they wanted to join me, but then left. I'm not 100%. But yeah, so that's kind of a dangerous move. I kind of just realized that. At that part, I kind of wanted to smash into that Airbus Beluga just for the fun of it, but I'm not going to do that. I would if I wasn't recording it. There's the sick view. Alright, that's our last pass, and then we're gonna go in for the landing. So we're gonna go around that large pole sticking out of the earth, kind of looking like a candy cane, yeah. And then we are going to land. I actually tried to butter the jet, if you know what I'm talking about. Butter is kind of like smoothest landing in the world. I hear a lot of other ptfs people do that, like they try and butter planes like that. But at the same time, I've only been doing this game for about 10 hours in flight time. So, yeah. I have like 10 hours. I think it was 683 minutes. Or, yeah, 683 minutes in flight time. Alright, here we go. We're going to turn the smoke off right there. Okay. And then we're going to try and come in for the smooth landing. I have poor alignment. I'm very sorry about that. Don't get offended, pilots. Well, if you're an actual pilot. And that wasn't the most buttery landing, but I was running out of speed. Okay. Alright, that's going to be the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and peace. Bye!